Hi guys, welcome back to another one. We are going to be making a quick simple lunch recipe, guys. This is perfect for your lunch anytime, to be honest. So these are the ingredients. I hope you haven't missed it. If you have, pause, check the ingredient. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just kind of cook my peppers and tomatoes using vegetable seasoning and paprika. Okay, that is all. I just want to get them soft and with some flavor. Okay, I've got my ciabatta bread. You can buy this at any stores. Okay, it is readily available. So all I'm gonna do is cut the bread open. Unfortunately, it didn't cut into correct portion. I'm gonna gut out the bread. You can use the crumbs for you can mince the crumbs up if you wanted to, use it on your prawns or for breadcrumbs recipes, so we want to gut it out. All I'm gonna do is put soft cheese. Guys, believe it or not, I am not a cheese person. I know, so this is adventure for me. This is adventure for me. So this is all ready. We're just gonna try it. It's full of flavor and it looks and tastes delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in my peppers. I'm gonna fill all of that in. Then I'm gonna go with the sweet corn. All I'm doing is filling everything in. So simple, guys. And I'm gonna add my mozzarella. Guys, if you're new to the channel and you've never subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you click that like. And all I'm gonna do is add my smoked salmon. Come on, smoked salmon on top of the mozzarella. Guys, I've got my free herb mince. Listen, you can buy pesto, but I make my own fresh herb. I love fresh herb, so we're just gonna graze that on top, fill that on top, and that's all we're doing. The sauce, the bell pepper's got all the flavor. This gives you the freshness. The cheese just adds a bit of to it. We're gonna combine that and look at that. Okay, combine it all together and we're gonna put that in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes in the oven. We're gonna put that in and voila. Okay, voila, you've got your perfect sandwich recipe, perfect for lunches, or if you just wanted to eat something when you're out and about for your lunches, whatever the case may be. This is absolutely perfect. Okay, tasty smoked salmon mozzarella sandwich. Look at that. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I'm going to share with you guys some. Okay, take it, eat it. I want you to eat it. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.